Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about BrioDirect, a company that offers a variety of financial products and services. One of the most popular products they offer is their high-yield savings account. I've been using BrioDirect for a few months now, and I've been really happy with it. They offer a competitive interest rate, and they're always quick to credit my account with any interest earned. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, how often does BrioDirect pay interest? I'll also provide some other information about BrioDirect's high-yield savings account. So, let's get started. How often does BrioDirect pay interest? BrioDirect pays interest on your savings account daily. This means that your money is earning interest 24/7. This is a great benefit because it allows your money to grow faster than if you were only earning interest monthly or annually. How much interest can I earn with BrioDirect? The interest rate that BrioDirect offers varies depending on the balance in your account. However, you can currently earn up to 4.15% APY on your savings. This is a very competitive interest rate, and it's one of the reasons why I chose BrioDirect. How can I open a BrioDirect high-yield savings account? Opening a BrioDirect high-yield savings account is easy. You can do it online or by phone. Here are the steps you need to follow. Go to the BrioDirect website or call their customer service number. Click on the Open an Account button. Fill out the application form. Submit your application. Once your application is approved, you can start depositing money into your account. Other benefits of using BrioDirect. In addition to offering a competitive interest rate, BrioDirect has a number of other benefits that make it a great choice for your savings account. No monthly fees. There are no monthly fees associated with your BrioDirect high-yield savings account. No minimum balance. There is no minimum balance requirement to open or maintain a BrioDirect high-yield savings account. Easy to use. The BrioDirect website and mobile app are easy to use, making it easy to manage your account. Excellent customer service. BrioDirect has a team of friendly and knowledgeable customer service representatives who are available to answer your questions and help you with anything you need. BrioDirect is a great choice for anyone who is looking for a high-yield savings account. They offer a competitive interest rate, no monthly fees, and no minimum balance. If you're looking for a bank that will help your money grow, I highly recommend BrioDirect. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about BrioDirect or high-yield savings accounts in general, please leave a comment below.